Welcome to the step-by-step tutorial on how to integrate Jira with Desklog. We'll walk you through the process to seamlessly connect these two powerful tools. Click on Apps and select Desklog. If you're already integrated with Desklog, you should be able to see your users through your Jira account. Click on Manage Your Apps if your Jira account is not integrated with Desklog. You'll find Desklog amongst the user-installed apps. Select Desklog and click on Configure. You will be asked to provide an access token in order to integrate the two apps. Go to your Desklog dashboard and click on Settings. Go to Integrations and find the Desklog Jira integration panel. Copy the access token and return to your Jira account. A message will display upon successful integration. You will now be able to see your users in your Jira account. The next step is to integrate your users. Copy the user's account ID. Go to your Desklog account, click on Register, and click on User. Select the user you'd like to integrate. From their account, go to their Jira account settings. Paste the Jira account ID and click on Save. Your user has now been successfully integrated with Desklog. Next, we'll walk you through creating a project. Click on Projects. Click on Create Project. Let's create a Kanban project. Select the template for a team-managed project. Give your project a name and click on Save. The project that you create here will be automatically integrated with Desklog. You'll be able to track your projects on your Desklog admin account. Go to your Desklog page and refresh the Desklog project list to find your new project. Let's create a task. Go to the project board in Jira. In the To-Do panel, create a task for a user. Desklog is synced to Jira and will show the new task on the project board. When you assign a user to a task, Desklog picks up on the change and integrates it into its own records. Refresh your project board to see any new changes. You can change the status of the task by dragging and dropping it from the To-Do panel to the In Progress panel. Refresh Desklog and you'll see the change there. Repeat the same process to change the task status to Done. This is how Desklog's Jira integration works, making tracking projects, task assignments, and status updates a breeze.